Hi traders, welcome to Trading Talk episode 69. My name's Matthew and I'm one of the junior traders here at TradeView. In this episode, I've continued from last week's model, which was building an algo based on levels using some proprietary indicators that we use. So I've advanced it this week. I've added a few improvements, including a proprietary indicator, which we use here on our trading desk. Anyone who is unsure how to actually build algos using levels, I get asked it quite a lot. I'd encourage you to watch this video, and that means if you're not a member, you're going to have to give me a call and become one. I also want to make mention to the International Trading Championship. The second sprint competition wraps up on the end of this month, so there's 3 weeks left. Marcus L is running away with the marathon and the sprint, so anyone that can catch him, I'd encourage you to get involved. It's not too late. The Algo Trading Conference, we've got Dr. Tom Stark, Kevin Davey, and our head of trading, Ellie Garley. If you haven't seen the Algo Conference, there's actually a link underneath this video, or go to algotradingconference.com. We've got limited availability now. The conference is coming up in just under 4 months, so I'd encourage you all to get involved. And that's all for this week's Trading Talk episode. Anyone, as I said, who isn't a member, there's a link below here that allows you to purchase the online intermediate workshop, and I look forward to working with you all soon. Thanks.